Welcome to Legit Internet Income. Here we show you real ways to make money online, no fluff and no scams. Let's get started. Want to make extra cash online? How about $500 a month just for renting out Shopify stores? That's right, you can build digital storefronts and lease them to businesses eager to sell online. This is a fantastic way to generate passive income and be your own boss. It's like owning real estate, but in the digital world. You build the store, find a tenant, and collect monthly rent. The best part? You can do this from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, this could be your ticket to financial freedom. Intrigued? Let's dive into the details and see how you can start building your own Shopify store empire. Think of Shopify as a platform for building online stores. It's like the foundation and framework for a beautiful storefront. You, as the landlord, create this digital storefront using Shopify's tools. This includes designing the layout, adding product pages, and setting up payment gateways. Once the store is ready, you rent it out to someone who wants to sell products online but doesn't have the time or skills to build their own store. Your tenant, the business owner, gets a ready-to-use online shop, and you get paid monthly rent. It's a win-win. They get a professional online presence, and you earn passive income. But how much can you actually make? Let's explore the earning potential of Shopify store renting in the next section. How does an extra $200 to $500 per month sound? That's the basic earning potential of renting out a single Shopify store. But here's the exciting part. You can scale this up. As you gain experience and build more stores, you can significantly increase your income. Imagine having 5, 10, or even more stores rented out. Those monthly payments start adding up quickly. Plus, you can offer additional services like store maintenance, marketing assistance, or customer support for an extra fee. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to pay some bills or aiming to build a full-time income stream, Shopify store renting offers incredible potential. Ready to get started? In the next section, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of building and renting out your first Shopify store. Building a Shopify store rental business is simpler than you think. It all starts with these straightforward steps. First, learn the Shopify basics. Familiarize yourself with the Shopify platform. They offer a free trial and tons of resources to get you started. Next, choose a niche. What kind of products are you passionate about? Select a niche market to target, making it easier to find interested renters. Then, build store templates. Create stunning, ready-to-go store templates that businesses will love. This saves you time and allows for quick setup. After that, find businesses to rent to. Reach out to businesses in your chosen niche. Online forums, social media groups, and freelance platforms are great places to start. Finally, automate and scale. Use automation tools to streamline your workflow. As you grow, consider hiring virtual assistants to manage tasks like customer support. By following these steps and staying committed, you can turn your Shopify store rental aspirations into a reality. In the final section, we'll wrap up with the key benefits of this income strategy and a call to action to inspire you to get started. Renting Shopify stores offers an incredible opportunity to earn passive income online. It's a flexible, scalable business model with unlimited potential. You're in control of your earnings, your time, and your financial future. So, what are you waiting for? Start learning, start building, and start renting those Shopify stores. The world of e-commerce is waiting for you. Now I want to hear from you. What excites you the most about Shopify store renting? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more incredible money-making strategies. Let's build your online empire together.